Her birth name is Yagmur Aydan Ayrik and her nickname is Yagmur. Her profession is Turkish actress and model. Her date of birth 15 November 1993. Her present age is she is currently 26 years old. Her birthplace is Adana, Turkey. And her zodiac sign is Scorpio. Her nationality is Turkish. Her height is 5 feet and 11 inches tall. And her weight is 62 kg. Her eye color is brown. Her naturally hair color is dark brown. Her ethnicity is white. And her years active 2015 to present. So let's start the cars collection. And now you watching the cars. Her Yagmur Aydan Ayrik house. So let's start the hobbies. She likes traveling. She likes photography. She likes listening to music. She likes shopping. And she likes swimming. So let's start the social media facts. She is very famous on Instagram and she has gained 41k followers on Instagram. Marital status, she is married and her husband name is Saleh Chibli. Her net worth $1 million to $3 million approx.